Hey guys, good morning. How's it going, Everly? How's it going, Richie? You okay?
I want to, Daddy.
It's early and it's warm. Usually we take this walk later in the afternoon because it's cooler, but we have some really good news. So we want to get there early. You want to walk? Oh, look at the baby cow.
Baby cow.
Baby cow.
Don't get close, the mommy
Yeah.
will get mad.
Cow.
Yeah, we'll just stay right here.
Mommy cow.
I think she was just born. She's really tiny.
Mommy cow.
Ah, look at that. Wow, she's just tiny.
Mommy cow.
Yeah, mommy and baby cow. That's cool.
Daddy cow.
Oh, maybe that's the daddy cow right there. See?
Daddy cow.
Yeah. All right, so we got some.
Oh, dog.
We're gonna stop here for a second. There's some guard dogs. They're gonna start barking. So we're gonna stay right here just for a moment. We have some really good news. We're about to go to Romeo's house. Someone wants to give them a gift of buying some materials and some food. Okay. Here's some of the doggies. Hi.
Hi.
Wow, I'm surprised they're not barking. Hello.
Hi.
How are
Wiggle,
you?
wiggle, but wiggle.
Hi. Hi.
They're really nice today.
Oh, look at the goat also, baby goat.
Oh, see the baby goat?
Look at the baby goat.
It's hard to see. Oh, there they go. All right, hey guys, kumusta? I need a translator for my Visaya.
Track, but good, very good.
Good. I'll just kind of show you what Romeo had been up to and his family. So,
Oh,
looking good. We have some really good news. Someone by the name of Max and Kia want to help you build your house. Pretty much, to completion or as much as we can while we're here.
good news ka nang si Max and Kia, shout out, nang matabang sila nimo para kung sa inyong balay.
So, we're kind of deciding what to do. We're trying to get Sebring. He might be back later in the afternoon to at least measure and maybe get some materials, at least get a list so we can get things started moving here, because that's going to take the longest. And then he should be done with his job that he's working on now, maybe next week, and then he can start then. But the thing we were talking about is they have I think 7 people in their family right now, or more. Are you sure 7?
7, but it's the older guy working in Cebu. He's
Okay.
not here,
So including him 7 or excluding him?
including him.
Okay.
Including.
So he's here every once in a while. And then we have one more coming, right?
Yeah. This is imo ning kamagwangan or ikaduha? Second eldest.
Second eldest. And how far along are you?
Pila na ka guys? 7 months na ka? 7 months.
Okay. And after the pregnancy, do you think you'll live here or?
Nigpanganak nimo dahil mo stay pa ka diri or mobalik ka Cebu. She'll stay here.
Okay. So just kind of thinking of all that, this probably won't be big enough, I'm thinking. So we might, we're going to talk to Sebring. We might be able to extend it, or, they were working with the budget that they had, and the cheaper way to do this is to build, above and not cement it and put bamboo here and, do it that way. But in the long run, it's more durable and stable if you cement it. So I think I'd hate to knock this down. We're going to talk to Sebring, but I think we are going to at least take this down and cement everything and probably make it, as big as we possibly can to fit everyone, and with the budget we have, of course. But so that's kind of the idea. But hopefully we can maybe keep this and just extend it a little. So I think just the plan is we'll wait for Sebring to get off work, and hopefully we can come back later and we can start ordering some materials and at least start the process of carrying everything. Do you know anybody or know of helpers that we could probably carry things back and forth?
Kanang atong kuan ba? Hita taog kanang helper nga mo karga sa materials. He will help, and also si kuan si sa to? Dandy, yeah. 2 of them.
Okay, because I think we might try to do half hollow block and half wood. Is that?
Wood, plywood or marine like that.
And that'll probably be the strongest if we can, instead of all wood or something. But we'll let Sebring and Romeo decide. but we do want this house to last as long as possible. All right, cool. You guys excited? All right.
She's ready to transfer.
Yeah, I bet. Wow, nice jump. Can you jump from there to there? Let's see. Whoa, nice. All right.
Wow.
All we need is that to keep you entertained for hours.
Yeah, I know.
We don't need any toys. Nice job.
Wow.
Wow, that breeze feels really nice.
Yeah.
When you walk this path during the day, it's really warm.
On kayo, init kayo pa dong dire no? Sila mga eskwela sila init kaya ni mo to.
We'll be back later.
Balik lang niya.
All right.
Balik sa eskwela dire. Ah. Bye.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
Cow, 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 baby cow.
Mommy cow. Mommy cow. Cow. Mommy cow. Mommy cow.
That's a beautiful song.
Mommy cow.
How about the grandpa cow? Is there a grandpa cow?
Mommy cow.
How about the uncle cow?
Mommy cow.
Mommy cow?
Yeah.
Look, there's a cow right there. Look. See the cow? All right, so we just turned the corner. There's the baby carabao.
Oh, what?
Yeah, look at that. There's
Eating.
the mama carabao.
Eating.
Yeah.
Eating.
Say hello.
Eating.
Is it you?
Eating. Eating.
What are they eating? Good thing they're vegetarian. Let's see if the baby cow or the baby carabao let us go.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, it's gonna go in the water. Whoa. Cool. Thank you for letting us pass. Bye-bye.
Are you gonna swim?
It's a good day to swim. Say bye-bye, carabao.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Carabao.
Here we are, guys. You can see it's a lot more shaded now.
Look.
We got Seapring ahead of us. What's up, Seapring?
Look.
The cow will not let us pass. Here, follow me, Richie. Seapring is the cow whisperer.
Yung manang ka ba ka? Ah, that's his cow.
That's his cow, okay. That's why he's a little protective, I think. He's following Seapring. So right now is the ideal time to walk. You can see there's pretty much no sun right now. So anyway, we got Seapring now, so we're gonna go talk to Romeo again and see if we can do some measurements and order some materials. So we're gonna walk the walk. What do you think, Everly? Remember walking this path earlier today? Are you sure you want to walk? All right, there you go. You know which way to go? Good job. Oh, look at the bird. What do you call those here? Salabong. It looks like a heron or something. So this is one of my favorite paths. I said this before. This is nice here. This time of day, when the sun's out right over top of you, it's not so nice. We used to fly the drone up on those mountains. Somewhere up there, we'd fly it over and it'd come this way. That's where we'd have like story time back in the day. This is a nice path right now. Good job, you got it, you got it. All right. Say hi to the cow.
Bobby cow.
Oh,
Bye-bye.
this way.
Say bye-bye, cow.
Bobby cow.
Let's go. Nice. Very good. All right, guys. So Seapring just did his magic. I'll kind of walk around and kind of show you what we have an idea for. We're gonna write down all the material, all the list, and then go and see how much it costs. If we are getting close to over budget, we're just gonna, you know, shrink it just a little bit, but I think we should be all right. I'll just walk around and show you guys what we have so far. So we're gonna try to save this as much as we can. We might have to refigure it a little bit, but for 7 people and plus a new baby coming soon, I think this is what their original. I think we do got to make this a little bit bigger. So if you can see, it's from back there to here and cross, and that's gonna be like their main like living area in there, and it's gonna be an open space right now, and eventually we might do like separate rooms later, but for right now it's just getting the initial you know, roof up and everything. And then here is gonna be like the porch, whatever you want to call it, the terrace, yeah. And then look at this view, so they can sit outside and look at this view. That's pretty nice. So they have a door here, so I'll open the door, going inside. Nice and roomy in here. They can fit everything inside. And then somewhere back here will be a door, and this will be the kitchen. All right? What do you guys think? Okay? Okay? They're very excited. All right. So the kitchen area and the cooking area will be back here. So I think that's gonna be pretty nice when it's done. So the next step is just to go order all the materials, and then Seapring does have another job right now, so he won't be able to start for a few more days, but that'll give us time to get everything here. All right, guys, we're gonna get going. This is from Max and Kia. Thank you, Max and Kia. So we'll get everything ordered and we'll come back once everything is here. Thank you, Seapring. All right, pretty cool.